Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Kuta area around 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Let's check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will explore Kuta area during emergency lockdown for Bali. Emergency lockdown extended until 2 of August. So, this is the condition at the moment in Kuta area. And now we are in Legian Street. So this is the condition at the moment in Legian Street. You see, left side and right side. The shop still closed, but I see some people drive around in this area now. I'm happy to see that. It's quiet, but there is some activity. That is good. Actually, in Legian Street, as you know, is very famous street in Bali. Because Legian Street be in the heart of Kuta. In Legian Street, it's easy to find hotel, restaurant, shop, and night bar. So that's why in this area is very famous. And usually, lots of people walk around on the sidewalk. They do shopping during the day. But today, because it's lockdown for Bali, all the shops still closed. This is quiet, but some activity. I love to see that actually. You see in the left side? There is 101 hotel. It's the big hotel there. On this video, I will make video around 10 minutes without skip. So I just want to show you how look like the real condition in Kuta area in afternoon. You see the shop right side, left side? There is a lot of shops still closed actually. Actually on this area before during the pandemic corona, even on the sidewalk there is a lot of people look like traffic jam. It's very busy actually. But today I see there is not so many people walk around on the sidewalk. It's very empty. Okay, now we reach in ground zero. Okay, we will see how look like the condition at the moment in the heart of Kuta. This is the ground zero. You see the front? That is the monument of the ground zero. Look quiet. There's not so many people there. And you see the right side? That is Poppies Land 2 Street. Also quiet. VIP bar left side. Very quiet. Here also Sky Garden before. Also quiet. Actually before the pandemic corona, in this area in the night time will be always busy until like 2 p.m. in the morning. Because in this area we have a lot of nightclub like Paddy's Pub, Bounty Club, VIP, Engine Room, Sky Garden, and lots else. Okay, we continue in Legian Street. It is still quiet, isn't it? No people walking on the sidewalk. Left side, right side, the shop still closed. And on the street, I never seen the taxi, like transportation. Okay guys, if you just find this channel, and if you want to support this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Because I believe 1,000 and million people, they want to know about the condition in Bali at the moment. From Legian Street, I will turn right and I will explore Raya Kuta Street. Okay, now we are in Raya Kuta Street. You see, left side and right side, all the shop is closed. And usually in this area also always busy, because in this area is nearby shopping area in Kuta. In shopping area in Kuta we have art market and big shopping mall we call Matahari Square. In this area also easy to access to go to the beach, and usually always busy. But today, you see, it's very quiet. I make this video around 5 p.m. in the afternoon because I just want to show you how look like the condition in Kuta area in the afternoon time. If I turn left, there is Matahari Square, big shopping mall and art market in Kuta. Now we continue driving and we will explore along Kuta beach. Left side, Grand Inn Hotel. Oh sorry, the camera was dark. Okay, there is at the front, there is the gate in to go to Kuta beach, but still closed because emergency lockdown for Bali. This is the main street in Kuta. Right side, Hard Rock Cafe. Left side, there is the beach. Sunset coming down soonly. You see the right side? Lots of people walk around. I'm happy to see that. It's not so busy like few weeks ago, because government say for emergency lockdown level 4 you can walk around, you can going outside, you can open the shop, but must follow the rule. It's important. You see left side, there is the parking area for motorbike, but looks so quiet because Kuta beach was closed. Okay, in the right side there is big shopping mall we call Beach Walk, and also at the front Beach Walk shopping mall there is a lot of cafe, so you can have a good drink right there. Coffee, ice cream, bintang beer and everything else. So what do you think? It still look quiet, isn't it? Even in the afternoon time. Usually in the afternoon there is a lot of people going to the beach to enjoy the sunset. But you see, even in the parking area, this motorbike is empty there. Yeah, for sure it's very quiet because Kuta beach still closed. I'm sorry guys, my quality of video is not really good. Wow, there is a lot of car parking left side, alongside beach. Oh, that's good. I think in the north gate to go to the Kuta beach, actually that's closed, but lots of people try to go into the beach. You see, there is a lot of car parking there. Happy to see that. Right side there is a big hotel, lot of big hotel on the right side. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Kuta area in the afternoon around 5 p.m. And if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And also don't forget to hit the bell notification because I will always update another place in Bali. Okay guys, thank you very much for keep staying in touch and see you in the next video. Bye bye.